This chapter's video will explain the use of D-RTK 3. This is the power button. Short press and long press to turn the power on or turn the power off. This is the battery level indicator. Green represents sufficient battery. Red indicates low battery. This is the mode indicator light. It should normally be solid green. This is the satellite signal indicator light. It should be used when the positioning signal is good and the indicator light is green. When the aircraft and remote controller are connected, enter device management. Select D-RTK mobile station and click linking. If using for the first time, it should be activated first. After frequency matching, change the RTK signal source to D-RTK 3 Agriculture Edition in RTK settings. Scenario 1. In a completely network-free environment, select PPP positioning mode. Positioning accuracy can be chosen as 50 centimeters or 20 centimeters. Wait for positioning to complete before starting operations. Scenario 2. Ionospheric interference with network availability. It is recommended to set the positioning mode to Network RTK or Custom Network RTK when there is no ionospheric interference, allowing the D-RTK 3 base station to obtain high-precision positioning and then save this position. When there is ionospheric interference, set up the base station at the same location. Choose customized coordinates for the positioning mode. Select the previously saved coordinates and achieve high-precision positioning even with ionospheric interference. Note that the D-RTK 3 supports simultaneous connections to multiple drones. When switching positioning modes, ensure no other drones are connected, as this may affect the positioning accuracy and normal operation of other drones.